When you move your leg like this and you find there's popping and cracking in the knee without pain, it's called crepitus, and it's usually caused by a tight quadricep muscle, because this muscle comes down here and crosses the knee like this. The way to stretch that muscle is to reach back and grab your ankle like so. If you can't quite reach it, you could even use a belt or a dog leash or a strap and come like this as well. And again, you can do this in the lying position where you're lying like this. You put the strap over the foot like this and stretch it like that. And that should help to take away the crepitus or the cracking or popping.